Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If your HP Officejet Pro has suddenly decided to stop printing, don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. You hit print and nothing happens. No paper comes out. No error message that makes sense. Just silence. Super frustrating, right? In most cases, it's something small, like a driver issue, a stuck print job, or just the printer needing a quick reset. And the best part? You can totally fix it yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step method to get your HP Officejet Pro printing again. So, let's jump right in. Method 1. Reset the printer. While your printer is on, remove the power cord from its rear. Now, unplug the cord from the outlet and the power adapter. After 60 seconds, plug the power cord into the printer and the outlet. Alright, next method. Let's make sure your HP printer is actually set as the default one, because Windows sometimes forget. Method 2. Set printer as default printer. Click on the Start menu, search for printers and scanners, and then open it. Scroll down to Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck it. Scroll up, select your printer from the available printers and then click on Manage button. In the Manage Your Devices window, click on the Set as Default option. Now, if your printer is still acting up, it might still need a quick driver update, kinda like refreshing a software. Method 3. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand Print Queues section. Now, find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for the latest updates and install them for you. Did any of the above methods work? If no, sometimes the problem is just a jammed up print queue. So, let's clear out all those stuck print jobs. Method 4. Delete all print jobs. On your computer, open the Control panel. Click on View Devices and Printers. Find your Officejet Pro printer in the list. Right-click on your printer and choose See What's Printing. In this window that pops up, open the Printer tab at the top. In the list of actions, select the Cancel All Documents option. When the confirmation box appears, click on Yes to clear the queue. Up next, we'll check if your printer is running the latest firmware, because an outdated one can cause all sort of weird glitches. Method 5. Update the printer's firmware. First, ensure your printer is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the printer display and scroll down the menu panel and open Settings. Under Settings, tap on Printer Maintenance. Here, open Printer Update. Now, accept the Web Services Terms of Usage. At last, enable the Update the Printer Automatically option and wait for any firmware updates if available. If the issue persists, let's remove the ink cartridges and reinstall them. It's a simple fix that works more often than you'd think. Method 6. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Alright, first thing, slide your fingers into the little slot on the left side of the printer and open the cartridge access door. Now, the printhead is gonna slide over to the left. Just chill for a sec, wait until it stops moving and goes quiet before you touch anything. Push the ink cartridges back, kinda like clicking them out of place to release. Once they're out, just insert those cartridges right back into their slots. Head over to the display screen, tap on OK, and you're done. At last, it's time to give that printhead a quick cleanup. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it safely. Method 7. Clean the printhead. With the printer turned on, open up the cartridge access door. Wait for the printhead to slide over to the left side. Take out the ink cartridges. Lift up the grey lever. Remove the printhead assembly. Fill a syringe with warm water. Attach the plastic tube to a nozzle on the printhead and gently push the warm water through. Like this, clean all nozzles. Once the nozzles are clean, make sure to dry the printhead completely before putting it back in.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.